This concentrated 12% hydrogen peroxide solution from SimpleNature offers strong cleaning performance for both home and commercial spaces when properly diluted. It works well on a wide range of washable surfaces, from kitchen counters and bathroom fixtures to laundry and outdoor items, which makes it a flexible staple cleaner. Because it breaks down into only water and oxygen after use, it appeals to people looking for a more environmentally responsible alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. The formula is especially effective at lifting stains and neutralizing odors in fabrics and on hard surfaces, so it can replace several specialized products in a cleaning routine. The large 2-gallon quantity is convenient for frequent users, providing plenty of solution for mixing spray bottles, mop buckets, and other cleaning setups. I also appreciate that it is produced in the United States by a brand focused on simple, time-tested ingredients rather than heavy fragrances and unnecessary additives.